Hey there, Evelyn here from the Toy Tamer. This month, for November's Hello, I want to talk to you about small kids' tables and chairs. I had a text today from a friend who has recently become a grandmother, and she wanted to know what my opinion was on what the best small table and chairs is for a kid's playroom. My answer to her was probably somewhat you wouldn't expect, but what it was is that I don't endorse any small table and chairs for a kid's playroom. And the reason is because it is completely a waste of space. When kids are little, really little, they won't sit at a table and chairs anyway. And then as they get a little bit bigger, they outgrow it so fast. And it just becomes a dumping ground for toys. If you have a small table and chairs in your playroom, I'm willing to bet money that it's just holding toys, that nobody ever sits there and does anything. But more importantly, I feel it's a waste of money because they outgrow it so fast and nobody else but kids can sit there. By the time a child's 2.5, they can sit in an adult table and adult chair, which is great because that means adults can join them. They can play games, they can do puzzles, they can do artwork. Grandparents can sit. If you have a laptop, you need to do some work, you have a place to put it with an adult-sized table and chairs. You don't have any of that with kids' tables and chairs. So in my opinion, kids' tables and chairs just are not worth the time or the money or the space that they take up. So wait, don't get any table and chairs when they're really little. And then by the time they need a table and chairs, get an adult-sized tables and chairs with 4 chairs so that you can sit there with them. And personally, I love the ones from IKEA because they're inexpensive, specifically the Limone series, which are very small ones. Not small in size, just small in this way. Or I guess it's Lagmore, something like that. Lagapton, something like that. But the chairs that go with them are the ADDE chairs, ADDE. They're $15 each, and they're lightweight, so they're easy to stack, they're easy to move, and they're perfect if you need extra chairs for holidays too. So my point of this whole video is don't waste your money on kid-sized tables and chairs. They look adorable, but they don't earn the space they take up. That's it. Have a great November. I will talk to you in December. Bye.